Jamaica today. Go river tubing. Give me this, a helmet. How you doing, Fred? His wife. We're tubing today. Let's get it, boys. This beautiful, beautiful scenery. This is exactly how I imagine Jamaica. Nothing but trees. Let's go river tubing today.
Odin over there.
Okay.
It was for the guy that just put him into it. The lady won't forget it. In 20 years after, she came to Jamaica. Came here to get dirty. I like this guy. They went to Jamaica. He said, women and children first. There must be some Jamaican here. Women and children first. Go! Save yourself.
There we go. He's been through some stuff, huh? Oh yeah. Bumper cars, huh? Nice. No relaxing day today. Just sit back. Oh, I thought my home's gonna fall off. And yeah. Over here, y'all. Yeah, I feel like a kid again, huh?
I remember we still have 45 minutes to go the long journey. Drop to the rope, baby. Now.
So here's the waiting area. It's gonna hold.
Cold, 1 punch cold.
This flow here, so come back online whenever we get something more exciting. But as of right now, we're floating into some brush. Let's get into this, get back.
Yeah, man, red shirt cold. Strong and very strong.
Going bumper cars.
Bumper.
Boom.
Come on over here, sir.
Yeah.
Give you some.
Thank you, thank you.
Got it?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Chris.
Hi, Chris. I'm Amanda.
Amanda.
Where you
Hello,
from?
hello. Oh, Houston.
I saw a lot of people in Texas.
What about you guys?
Oh, hey, baby.
Okay.
You all right? I can't go nowhere. Come on this side.
I'm going this way.
Why don't we roll into that one?
Oh, bumper cars.
This is what's going to happen right here. You're going to go through the rapid in a single file formation. No one should be holding on to anyone.
A rapid.
Pull over. Once you get here, that's when you're going to let go. We're only going to let go right here in the middle. You can let go here. No.
Don't fall into each other. You two can go. All right, hold it, hold it. No one is going to let go as yet. You can go. You can go, sir. Hold it a bit.
He's just going through it.
All right, hold up. No one else is going to let go as yet. You can go. Go. You go. You go. Thank you. Pull yourself.
Can I let go too?
Hold up. No one else is going to let go as yet. You can go. Pull yourselves over. Pull yourselves over.
And we're off to the rapids, baby. Oh, I don't know if we gotta go this way. Here we go, here we go. Oh, shit.
Hold on, sir.
Oh,
Hold on, man.
I saved you.
Thank you.
That's why it's going over.
Oh, yeah. No man overboard over here.
Well, we get out of here.
Oh, we're stuck now. Guess I gotta paddle your way out. What the heck? We're in a whirlpool now. Ugh. It's cold. Playing bumper cars.
We're all just corralling.
Oh, come on. How am I stuck here again?
I know. I'm like,
Grab a hold to the closest person. Grab a hold to somebody. Grab a hold to somebody. Hold it and the tubes will give you a better grip.
okay, I got you. Okay.
You got me.
I got his foot. Okay, sorry.
There it is.
Thank you, good shoes.
There it is. Thank you.
Look, I got life vest.
Guys, grab a hold to each other.
Stuck over there.
It's kind of cute though. I love that everyone's helping each other. But we have no choice.
This is humanity, how it's supposed to be.
Grab a hold to the closest person.
She's stuck over I didn't put camera. It's not gonna stick.
Here we go, here we go.
Hold it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now guys, once you get to the upcoming cable, you should be holding to that cable individually. Once you get to the cable, hold to the cable and not each other. Beyond that cable, we are approaching a narrow channel. Only one tube at a time can go through that channel. So you're going to have to be riding solo beyond
My
that
foot.
cable.
Everybody seems to be grabbing my foot today. The bamboo. What's
Yeah,
up?
man, come back tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Well, we'll go to the bank. Let's go. Thank you. This is nice. It's so relaxing. Yeah. This is life right here.
This is it, right there. We don't need to go anymore. Just chill in the water.
Just cruise. How blue this water is though. Relax. Just stuck there. Back again. They said we're wearing helmets, so that way, if a bamboo falls on us, a bamboo tree, we don't die. This guy's living life, literally. And we're at the very, very front. Just relaxing.
All of life vests is on there to keep you afloat. And my friend Mark is gonna be right there in the middle of the rapid, laughing first before you assist. Is that okay with everyone? Yeah, man, laughter is the first part of having fun, so I need laughter do no harm. Now with the same procedure as before, you all gonna pull yourselves over to me before you let go.
Let's get it, boys. Going through another rapid right now. Hopefully we don't flip. Hopefully I got someone flipping though. Ooh. There we go. Oh, cold water. Come on.
Come on.
Back on the calm waters again.
Load it on down.
We got bamboos, some trash right here, stagnant. Try to get away from it. It's not. Has anyone made a bamboo boat? Look how good they float. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can catch someone flipping over.
That's it.
Oh, you good?
Beautiful country, and I.
Oh man.
A lot of bottles.
Yeah.
Drives me crazy.
I like how people have flipped.
Probably right.
I'm trying to catch that. Hopefully I get someone. Come on. Oh, she almost did. Man, you should have done it.
No, I'm heavier than you, so.
Someone flip. Yeah, trying to catch someone flipping over. I haven't had any success yet.
This is all for like
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm in your way.
No, you're not even in the camera shot.
I know I'm heavier than you.
Guys, come on, each other, come on, each other.
I'm like 5'10".
No one flipped.
Wait before you.
We're all just linked up together. Floating down the river. There's a couple right there. Let's go. And that's it, boys. So we went around, came back. It's about an hour long trip. Let's continue the journey, boys.